alert.
Residents across parts of the southeast are on high alert right now. We have a vigorous cold front hitting southern Australia later on this evening, and as a result, damaging wind gusts and heavy rainfall are likely. Take a look at these images coming into us from South Australia overnight. Sandbagging and preparations underway. We are currently under a damaging wind warning through parts of South Australia as this cold front is forecast to move across the southern half of the state for today. It'll bring strong and squally winds, increased showers and isolated thunderstorms with locally heavy falls possible. The cold front is expected to reach the southern Eyre Peninsula and western Kangaroo Island around midday today, and then later on move towards Adelaide. The satellite imagery behind me, you can see the cloud cover is increasing across southern Australia. We have a cloud band right now, a jet stream cloud band, in fact, through parts of Queensland. That's why you can see the increase in cloud cover there. Some good totals across those regions. I'll have more on that shortly. But right now, it's all about this cold front that is set to hit the southeast. Take note of those tightly packed isobars across southern Australia, South Australia in the firing line first. Then as our cold front gradually tracks east, our attention will be shifting towards western and central Victoria and also the alpine regions of New South Wales. The radars across the south, well, we had a weak cold front hit on Wednesday. As a result, Adelaide, you collected 5 millimetres in the gauge. Further east, we saw Melbourne also collect around 5 millimetres on Wednesday evening as well. As you can see, 5.6 there. Latrobe Valley sitting on 1.8. Lighter falls further east with this system. Really just impacted South Australia on Wednesday. Horsham sitting on 3.2 and little to no rainfall for you in Kings Coast. You notched up around 0.8 of a millimetre. For today, all eyes are on South Australia. Then our attention will be shifting towards Victoria and later on towards alpine regions of New South Wales. Here's our front, that navy shark fin. It'll be hitting you a little later on this afternoon and evening in Adelaide, where we have the chance of a thunderstorm. Winds will be increasing, averaging around 35 to 50 kilometres per hour. Right now, a damaging wind warning is in place. We could see wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres per hour. Locations which are affected include Port Lincoln, Kings Coast, Victor Harbour, Mount Gambier and also Narracroot. We also have a damaging wind warning in place for Victoria and the alpine regions of South Australia. So in terms of the wet weather, showers will be increasing for places like Adelaide late this afternoon, mid-afternoon in fact, Melbourne this evening and Hobart this evening as well. And then of course we will be watching the warning areas quite closely. Here they are, shaded in yellow. So elevated regions and for the west coast of Victoria, basically the southern coastline of South Australia. Over the next 24 hours, we could see wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres per hour, and those sorts of wind gusts will lead to trees down and some damage as well. The other main feature with this system is, of course, the intense snowfall we are forecasting here at Sky News Weather. Snow in the wake of our cold front will be a dominant feature on Friday morning, and then it will continue right up until Saturday and Sunday, where we could even see snow falling as down to 600 metres in Canberra. So for the time being, we are anticipating up to a metre of snow with this weather event. It really is kicking off this afternoon and will be ending around Sunday and Monday. As you can see, that dark white shading showing you the snowfall on Friday. Here's our cloud band. Our patchy rain has been developing right across northwest, western and central Queensland. In fact, we've had some good totals as well. Winton has collected their heaviest rain in 3 months. You had 17 millimetres in the gauge. Overnight, of course, the dark and ominous sky is becoming a dominant feature. That was your heaviest rain in 3 months. In terms of totals, this is what we've collected since 9 a.m. Blackhole 1.6, Longreach 2 millimetres, Winton saw 18, and the Monument also collected around 16. So the northwest corner really had the heaviest falls from this system. A quick snapshot of our current capital city temperatures before I end off. It is chilly if you're waking up in Sydney, currently sitting on 11 degrees. Canberra sitting on 7.6, and of course with the increase in cloud cover across the southeast from our vigorous front, hasn't been as nearly as cool a morning as what we've seen lately.